Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn about framework, LWC, Apex class trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to access a static resource image and display in LWC component. So friends, follow these steps to achieve this scenario. To achieve this scenario, we need to follow three type of steps. Step number one, step number two, and step number three. So friends, in this lesson, we will be learn about how to access a static resource image in LWC. So friends, in the step number one, we need to first create Lightning app. Here you can see my Lightning app name is custom app. Then go to the step number two. Here you will be get gear icon. Once edit the page, we will be jump step number three. So in the step number three, we will be call my LWC component to the custom app so that we can display my LWC component into the Salesforce. So friends, here you can see in the LWC component, I am displaying image of the static resource. So these are the images coming from the static resource. So friends, here we will be learn about how to access a static resource images and display to the LWC component. So now let me jump to my Salesforce code where we will be see live demo scenario. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce potential org. In this potential org, first I open my LWC component. This component I open into the Lightning Studio. So this is my component name. This is a JavaScript file of component. This is a meta.xml file. So in the LWC component, first I created a Lightning card. Inside the Lightning card, I am using a H3. So H3 it is a title of the page. So in the H3, first I am using Lightning icon. After that, I am applying a title of the page. So here you can find name of the title. Title is how to display a static resource image in Lightning Web Component. So after title, I am using different type of span. Each and every span, I am displaying different type of images. This image is coming from the static resource. So friends, first here you can see I created a span. Inside the span, I am using a style. Here I am applying the style CSS property like display inline block, margin right 10%. And here I am displaying the images from the static resource. So this is a image, this is a SRC attribute property of the image. And here I am passing the variable. Using of this variable, I will be display the images. So this variable I declared in the JavaScript file. So based on this variable, I will be display static resource image from the Salesforce in LWC component. So friends, here you can see in this component, I am displaying four images. All of the images coming from the static resource. So this is image 1, this is image 2, this is image 3, and this is image 4. So format are same, syntax are same, but variable are different. So now let me jump to my JavaScript file. This is a component JavaScript file. So first I importing the static resource image. So friends, if you want to access the static resource image from the Salesforce, first we need to import the library. So here you can see first I am importing the library at the rate Salesforce /rest resource. This is important. This is the name of the library and this is the name of the static resource. And here I created an import variable and here I am importing a static resource from this library of the LWC component. So friends, keep in mind always if you want to access static resource image in the LWC component, we need to import resource URL. So first I am importing the resource URL. In the export method, I created different type of variable and each and every variable I am passing the image name that is I uploaded into the static resource. So this is a static resource image 1, this is a image 2, this is image 3, this is image 4. Here I am calling four type of images that is uploaded into the static resource image. This image I am accessing from the static resource. So image name is W3 web slider 1, W3 web slider 2, W3 web slider 3, and W3 web slider 4. And here you can see W3 web slider 1. Here I am creating a variable. This is a W3 web resource. So W3 web resource coming from here. So in the first, in the import method, I am creating a variable. So this variable I am applying here plus single quote backslash name of the image. So similarly, I am using different type of images and here I am assigning. So this variable of the JavaScript I am passing to the LWC component here. So here you can see I passing four type of variable one by one in the span. W3 web selector 1, W3 web selector 2, W3 web selector 3, and W3 web selector 4. So all of the variable coming from the JavaScript from here. After that, let me move up the meta.xml file. So friends, this is my meta.xml file. So in the meta.xml file, I am applying target and targets. So this component only visible on the app page, record page, and home page because here I am applying inside the target lightning app page, lightning record page, and lightning home page. So here I am giving the access to display all of the page of this component. So now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will see how to get the access static resource image into the LWC component. So friends, this is my Salesforce org. First go to the static resource. Here we need to search the static resource. Here you can see this is a static resource. And my static resource name is W3 web resource. This is a my static resource, W3 web resource. If you check the LWC component, here I am mentioning W3 web resource. So this name I created into the W3 web resource here. This is my W3 web resource. So in the if you click on the W3 web resource, here you can see view file. So if you click on the view file, your zip file will be downloaded into your system. Open. This is my zip file that is downloaded from the static resource. Now I am opening this file. So here you can see in this zip file I am uploading four type of images. W3 web slider 1, W3 web slider 2, W3 web slider 3, W3 web slider 4. If I open one of the images, you will be see the images. You can see this image. So this image I am importing from the static resource and display on the LWC component. So here you can see this image coming here. So once I call the LWC component, this image will be displayed. So this image coming from the static resource. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where will be call my LWC component to the custom app. So first I will be open my custom app. This is my custom app I created in the Salesforce. Now let me go on the gear icon. It is the page and call my LWC component. So my LWC component name is LWC static resource image. Here I need to search my component LWC static resource image. This is my LWC component. Simply select and drag and drop here and save. Once save successfully, then go back. So friends, here you can see all of images displaying the LWC component that is coming from the static resource. This is the image 1, this is image 2, this is image 3, this is image 4. So all of the images here I am accessing from the static resource. So friends, in this lesson, we have learned how to display a static resource image in the LWC component. Friends, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you get practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, Scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be sending you bonus gift as 2 ebook. These are the books. You are very powerful in the Salesforce. First ebook are Master of X Trigger and second ebook are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the FX Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the FX Trigger, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the Salesforce. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.